Hi and welcome. This video is about how to create free traffic. This is the 8th video in a training series about making money online fast with Clickbank. However, this training can be applied to any niche, any product, any affiliate, or any affiliate network. As you probably already know, or have learned, nothing happens online without traffic. Paid traffic is an excellent option, and you can generate as much traffic as you can afford, and your traffic is immediate. The problem with paid traffic is what is called ROI, which is short for return on investment. If you have little or no experience, you are going to have a negative ROI. What this means is that your paid advertising is going to cost more than you earn. Your option is to generate free traffic, which is your best alternative, while you gain experience. The good news is that free traffic is a good option. One of the best ways to generate free traffic is to use YouTube, which we covered in the previous video. You will find a link below in the description to that video as well as the first video in this training series. Another excellent option is to use social media. This works very well, but there are a few things that you will need to know and do. Most social media platforms have many groups or communities. Join groups or communities that are relevant to your niche. What this will mean to you is that people will be interested in your content. Thus your posts are much more likely to generate traffic as well as engagement. Engagement is when people like and/or share and/or comment. What you may not realize is that engagement is a big deal. Social media sites are social, so engagement is an important part of your social media experience. In other words, you cannot make posts without engaging. Posts without engagement are spam, and your social media campaigns will flop. Posting on social media as an active, involved, and engaging member are going to generate traffic as well as have a snowball effect. In addition, engaging is going to be fun. To be engaging means that you need to read other people's posts and then like, share, and comment. It is also means to respond to any comments or questions that you receive. Engagement is going to enhance your social media efforts more than you realize. Search engines use engagement as one of the ways to determine the value of your content. The search engines view lots of engagement as an indicator that people like your content. This boosts your social media efforts, because you are engaging. Joining social media platforms and groups and communities is easy, but just join a few at a time. Remember that you are going to need to spend some time engaging. If your niche is one that you love and one that you are passionate about, and if you join groups that are relative to your niche, you will be engaging with like-minded people. And this means that this free traffic generation method is going to be fun. Another way to generate traffic is a spin-off of generating YouTube traffic, as learned in the previous video. For example, after creating your YouTube video, change your video format to profile, and create a snippet or clip that you can use for sites such as TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram. Your CTA is to send viewers to your YouTube video, YouTube channel, or website. Free classified ads are another way to get traffic. There are plenty of classified ad sites. Ads are easy to create and they will generate traffic. Forums are another option. Treat forums as you would social media sites. In other words, be engaging and find forums that are in your niche. Blogging is another option for creating free traffic. A blog also gives you a chance to build a following, and your followers are people that know, like, and trust you, which means that they are more likely to take a recommended action. List building is ultimately going to be your most important option. You want to create your list, which will become the backbone of your online business. Your list is going to be a dependable source of traffic and sales. So make sure that you provide your visitors and viewers with ample opportunities to join your list. In the next video, you will find out more about list building. The good news is that it is easier than you think, and you will also see how to build your list for free. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. and allow me to invite you to join this channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.